Namaskar, welcome to Exercise Explained. In this video, I would be solving question number 9 and question number 10, Exercise 3A, Machines ICSE 10th Physics. The previous questions have been done in the previous videos, the link for which will be provided in the description below. If you like the video, do share it with your friends and consider subscribing to the channel. Starting with the 9th question, the diagram below shows a lever in use. I have drawn it on the right side. So, to which class of lever does it belong? So, I would straight away write it as class 2 lever. Now, how did I get that? It is very simple. We just need to remember three things here. Actually, three alphabets in order. So, F, L, and E. So, if the fulcrum is in the center, it will be class 1. If the load is in the center, it's going to be class 2. And if the effort is in the center, it's going to be class 3. As we can see in this diagram, the load is in the center, so it's going to be a class 2 lever. Now, the first part is done. Coming to the second part, if FA is equal to 80 centimeter and AB is equal to 20 centimeter, find mechanical advantage. So for finding mechanical advantage, we need two things, that is effort arm and load arm. So I would write here EA, that is effort arm. So effort arm is the distance of the effort from the fulcrum. So in our case, it's going to be FB. So I would write here as FB. Now we don't know the length of FB straight away. So we can write FB as FA plus AB. So I would write that as FA plus AB. So just substituting the values, FA is 80 plus AB is 20, so that gives me 100 centimeters. So our effort arm is 100 centimeters. Coming to load arm, I would write that as LA. Load arm is the distance of the load from the fulcrum. So that is straight away given as FA, that is 80 centimeters. So we have got effort arm as well as load arm. Now we can find mechanical advantage. So for finding mechanical advantage, I would be using the formula MA is equal to effort arm divided by load arm. So effort arm happens to be 100 divided by load arm happens to be 80. 0, 0 cancels. So we get this as 1.25. 1.25, and since it is mechanical advantage, there will be no unit for it. So we have got B part also. Now coming to the C part of it. So for doing the C part, we know another formula for mechanical advantage, that is load by effort. Now the load is given as 5 kgf. As we can see here, the load is given as 5 kgf. So we just substitute the values. MA is 1.25 is equal to load is 5 divided by effort is E. So E will be equal to E goes to the left hand side and 1.25 comes to the right hand side, gives us 5 divided by 1.25. To remove the decimal, we multiply numerator and denominator by 100. So we get effort as 500 divided by 125. So we cancel by 25. So 25 5s are 125 and 25 into 20 times is 500. Again we cancel by 5. So here we get this as 5 4s are 20. So we get effort as 4 kgf, and if you wish to convert it to SI unit, we'll be multiplying by 10, which will give us 40 newtons. So we are done with the third part also. So this was a straightforward question. Getting into the next question, that is question number 10. Figure shows a wheelbarrow of mass 15 kg carrying a load of 30 kgf. So the mass of empty wheelbarrow is given as 15 kg. So we need to find the weight. So weight of the wheelbarrow will be equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. So the mass happens to be 15 into acceleration due to gravity happens to be 10. So we get this as 150 newtons. And the load inside the barrow is 30 kgf. So when we convert kgf to newtons, we get this as 300 newtons. So the total load, I would write here as total load. Total load is going to be equal to 150, that is for the empty barrow, and another 300 for the stuff which is inside. So we get this as 450 newtons. Now the points B and C are in the center of the wheel and the tip of the handle, such that, so B is the center of the wheel, C is the tip of the handle, such that horizontal distance, now this is something which we should take care actually. So that is, it is given as horizontal distance. It's not just given as distance, horizontal distance. So horizontal distance means distance with respect to the ground. AB is given as 20 centimeters and AC is given as 40 centimeters. We need to find load arm. So load arm means distance of the load from the fulcrum. So we can see that the fulcrum is at B. So I will write load arm. So that's going to be LA. That's equal to the distance of BA. So BA is straight away given as 20 centimeters. So load arm we got it as 20 centimeters. So that completes the first part. Now coming to the second part, that is we need to find effort arm. Now effort arm is the distance of the effort from the fulcrum. So I would write that as EA, and EA will be equal to BA plus AC. I would write straight away as BC, that can be written as BA plus AC. So BA is 20 plus AC is 40. So 20 plus 40 gives me 60 centimeter. So we have got effort arm as 60 centimeter. Now we need to find the mechanical advantage. So we know the formula for mechanical advantage. MA will be equal to effort arm divided by load arm. So I just substitute the values. MA will be equal to effort arm is 60 centimeters divided by load arm is 20 centimeters. Straight away 2 3s are 6. So we get mechanical advantage is equal to 3. So we have got the third part, that is C part. The minimum effort required to keep the leg just off the ground. So if I just tell that straight away, they are asking to find effort. So we know another formula for mechanical advantage. What's that formula? That formula is load divided by effort. Remember, in our case, it's going to be the total load and not just the load. So mechanical advantage, we know it as 3 is equal to total load, we got it as 450 newtons divided by effort. Effort goes to the other side. So we get effort is equal to 450 divided by 3. Now 3 15s are 45. So we get this as 150. So we get effort as 150 newtons, or converting it to kgf, if at all that is required, we'll have to divide by 10, and that would give us 15 kgf. So that completes this particular question. The 11th question onwards will be done in the next video, the link for which will be provided in the description. If you like the video, do share it with your friends and consider subscribing to the channel. So see you guys in the next video. Till then, Dhanyavad.